Infrastructure problems are common around the world. NISAR is a new Earth observing mission to image all of the land across the globe. This is a partnership between NASA and the Indian Space Research Organization. And the thing that's really cool about this instrument is that you can do interferometry, looking at how the surface is moving, so that you can tell where something might be going wrong. Is this getting close to failure? For example, if a landslide is slipping, and then put your ground attention on that point.
In 2015, the airport had a major slope failure. That created a huge interruption to their operations and damaged their safety overrun area. And then we designed the replacement wall at the end of the runway. We have instrumentation in the wall. We'll be using NISAR to monitor the wall deformations and the surrounding area in the future.
So when we think about the application of NISAR to a project like this, how does that feed into the overall mitigation?
So I think the goal is to be able to use NISAR data as that early warning system. It'll give us an alert that something is starting to move, hopefully within plenty of time to take action to assess the problem and take remediation before it becomes a problem.
This instrument is going to give you an idea of what's happening over the whole system. So in the context of dams or levees, you can look at whether the slope of the dam is somehow shifting.
We're interested in NISAR data because it'll provide us a good amount of information on a variety of our projects. We have over 700 dams in our inventory. We also have over 2,000 miles of levee. The Corps' responsibility is to make sure that it's functional and keeping people safe downstream should a flood event occur. The main purpose of our projects is for water supply, hydropower, and flood control. It's really difficult to monitor every point on every project, but NISAR will provide us good coverage of a lot of projects that are difficult to get to in remote areas that are very large. And we can use that to supplement our existing monitoring programs to see are there any areas that we need to look at more closely, add additional instrumentation, basically as a screening level tool to see are there areas that we should be looking at that we're not already.
This is like the culmination of a dream, to be able to have this instrument operating and providing this kind of data for everywhere, for everyone in the world.